we've got 3 balloons, okay? And what Wilson's going to do is he's going to run and find the balloons once I've released them, okay? So I put some air in the 3 balloons. I've got a blue, a green, and a yellow. I haven't tied them. I'm going to release them. They're going to whiz around the garden, and I'm going to shout out a colour, and Wilson's got to get that colour and bring it back to his circle, okay? You ready, Wells? Yeah? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go and get the green balloon. Where's it gone? Where's the green balloon? Where's the green one? That's it. Bring it back to the hoop. Brilliant. Okay. All right. And you can do that. You can get them to make it easier or harder. You can get them to collect all 3 different colours. More kids can play. Nice and simple. Plenty of fun. So we still got our 3 balloons, but this time Wilson is going to collect them all. Okay. And he's got a certain time to do it in. You understand, Wells? Okay. You ready? Have you get ready then? Stay in your hoop. Okay, can you collect a blue, yellow, and green balloon? Go! Oh. Here's the green. Where's the yellow? There's the yellow. Where's the blue? Where's the blue? Over there, look. Over there, by the helmet. He's got 3 seconds. 3, 2... Oh, top job, Wells. Wave goodbye.